Hi there, Garrett Steele here, continuing my, I'd say, unnecessary series of videos where I try oddly fruit flavored sodas, generally Sprite. We've got another Sprite here, Sprite Tropical Mix. This is the first time it's been brought back in over a decade. Back in good old 2006, when I was in a near constant alcoholic stupor. The good old days. I miss them so. So anyway, we got this sort of like Danielson type, allegedly retro label, where they say it's back for a limited time. It's back. It's lemon lime with strawberry and pineapple flavors. It sounds, you know, festive. In fact, I was looking for a Hawaiian shirt to wear, and I realized I don't have any, which is kind of ironic considering I've never been fatter than really. It's about time that I wear only Hawaiian shirts. Let's see. Carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, citric acid, natural flavors, sodium citrate, sodium benzoate, and apparently that's it, which actually for a soda from Coca-Cola in America, that's like a really tiny amount of flavoring. So they use natural flavors for it, so that's kind of cool. Let's give it a whirl. I'm not wearing pants underneath this, and that was very cool. Okay. Well, now that I've let it breathe, there does seem to be a pineapple element there, and half of it's gone now, but let's see. I like it. I think they could put this sell this at a TGI Fridays as a limited drink. Could probably make a lot of money. Tastes pretty good. It would probably be even better with maybe like just a touch of grenadine. But at any rate, Sprite Tropical Mix, highly carbonated at the moment, as you can tell. I'm about to, well, that's, I give it about a B. I have this occasionally, and now I'm off to wipe tropical Sprite off my balls.